Hi guys, today I am going to be making some vegetarian curried meatball stew. And I've got the potatoes from the garden. Look at that little one there that looks like a little button. It's so cute. So I've got potatoes, red onions, and carrots. And what I'm going to add to it, I did put some olive oil in there. What I'm going to be adding to it is this curry sauce called Rogan Josh. And this I got on sale. So I'm just going to add that in. I'm going to be using the President's Choice Meatless Meatballs. And I'm not sure, but on Mommy and Kimberly's Adventures, they did a taste test of something that looks similar. I don't know if it was this product, and it was so hilarious because little Kimberly said when they did the taste test that the meatless meatballs were for no one. Well, I'm going to try them. Now, I've not tried this product. There was a different product that they had years ago that was delicious, and I'm hoping that these are good as well. I have added a whole bunch of garlic powder, and I'm just going to fry this up a little bit. This is what the sauce looks like, and I'm just going to add a little bit of water so I can get the last bits out of the jar, and I will cover this and let it cook for a little while. Okay, it's looking pretty good now, and now I'm going to add in the frozen meatballs, the vegetarian meatballs. So that's what they look like, and I'll just stir it in and cover it. And they usually don't take that long to cook. But it looks very yummy, and I tried the sauce. It's very hot. So this is the stew. It is delicious, and I top it with some sour cream to combat the heat from the curry. Bon appetit, and have a great day.